Yes, you see it, y'all. You see what I have at hand and what's in front of your screen, man. Now, this right here could all potentially be accessible this week. And if it happens, bruh, all hell will break loose. Let's talk about it. YouTube. Fam on. What's good with you, man? What's going on? It is a new week and it's looking good, man. Start the video off with your boy Jay. Hit that thumbs up, man. I'm glad to see another week with y'all, man. We are inching towards 2026, man. Like, I don't know how y'all feel about this year, man, but this year went by pretty fast, man. I ain't gonna lie. It seems like the older I get in age, the faster and the shorter year seen, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy, man. But this year definitely flew by, and it flew by with a lot of heat, y'all. It was so many things that released this year. Off the top of my head, y'all, I gotta do a real quick roundup, y'all. Like, real quick, just this is freestyle. I know I'm gonna miss a lot of things, but this year alone, y'all, and I was actually having this conversation earlier. We had like a little sneaker group meetup at one of my local stores, and we had a great conversation, y'all. And we was talking about, like, this year might have been, they were saying might have been the best year in sneakers. 2018 was the best, like, new sneaker year, which I grew to agree upon, you know what I'm saying? Because what they meant was, this is the year of the OGs, y'all. Like, this is the year of the retros. Like, we got so many retros this year. 2018 was the birth year of a lot of new banger shoes. Of course, we got the off-white Jordan 1, I want to say, did the 10? The Off-White, the 10-pack released during that year. But 2018 was a phenomenal year. And like I said, we've seen a lot of new shoes. This year, however, we've gotten the, like I said, let me try to just freestyle. Black Cat Jordan 3s, Pure Money 3s, Flu Game 12s, Jordan 1 High 85 Breads, Tokyo Jordan 5s, Undefeated 4s, Brick by Brick Nigels. Oh my. Gamma 11s, Black Cat 4s. This is just recent because you see I just skipped. Ferrari 14s. Like, y'all, Taxi 12s. Like, the list goes on, bro. That's easily 9 or 10 that I just named, y'all. Like, y'all, this year, you know, it just has been one of them years. And we was talking about, you know, where do we see sneakers at? And this year probably is an example of where sneakers will be in the future. But I was like, bro, history repeats itself. It gets slow, then it picks back up. And I feel like this year, y'all could chime in on this conversation. You know, I wanna hit y'all with some conversation before we get into the video. But this year, I feel like it was just too much to dropping. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was back-to-back drops, and the shoes that I just named, y'all, was under the umbrella of just Nike and Jordan brand. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't mention really any Air Maxes that have dropped in between there, or any huge collabs such as Travis Scott's, and we got upcoming Soulflies, I'm a Year collabs. Like, I did not mention any of those, y'all. So just think about all the heat that has dropped this year. Something has to sit, y'all, and that is why I made a video, I want to say like a month ago, leading up to the month of November, and I was talking about, bruh, it's some heat coming up, y'all, but something has got to sit, y'all, because it's just too much dropping, y'all. And in the next 3 weeks, y'all, we got Black Cat 4s, Gamma 11s releasing, and it's like, you know, something's probably got to sit between those two. And if I had to guess, I would say maybe Black Cats, but that's just even far-fetched for me to think about that, y'all. But just wanted to start it off with that, man, brainstorming with y'all, you know, about what I had a conversation about earlier, just making y'all chime into that conversation. So comment down below, what is your thoughts, man? Was 2025 the best year yet in sneakers? Do you agree with what I was saying about 2018 being one of the best years when it comes to birthing new sneakers? You know what I'm saying? But you had to be there to understand what I'm saying. But anyways, man, hopefully y'all day is going good. I know y'all done hit the thumbs up already, man. Today your boy Jay has wanted to talk to y'all about what is upcoming this week, y'all. This week is one of them weeks, y'all, and if it happens, whew, it will go down, y'all. Bang! So you know I gotta start it here, man. I'm gonna show it until they drop it, bro. You know what I'm saying? So yet another week has gone by without us getting a drop, a shock drop to say, of the Jordan 11 Gammas. Now, a lot of y'all have been hitting me up, leaving messages in the comment section saying that, hey, bro, it might be over for a shock drop. They're already loaded on the Snkrs app. Nah, that don't mean nothing. And that is actually outside of the norm. I'm keeping it a buck. Usually they drop the official images and load up the shoes as far as, you know, the pictures and stuff on the Snkrs app after the shock drop. But hey, they've been doing things different this year. And like I said, I feel like there's no way that they would go without shock dropping these. But hey, you just never know. But I'm still leaning towards my prediction of Cyber Monday. That is not Monday tomorrow, but the next week Monday. I would say keep your eyes peeled, you know what I'm saying? But that but, like I was saying in the title and at the beginning of this video, if these do drop this week, y'all, which it can happen, y'all, because if you look at the Nike Sneakers app or the upcoming releases, the schedule is clear up until Wednesday, y'all. So anything can happen tomorrow, anything can happen Tuesday. There are no drops from Nike or the Sneakers app on Monday or Tuesday, y'all. So hey, do y'all think it will happen this week, man? Like I said, if it happens this week, Gamma 11s and Black Cat 4s in the same week, diabolical, y'all. But anyways, y'all, before we dive into what's going on this week, man, make sure you guys take advantage of the Black Friday sale, man. This might be your last week to get your Black Friday sale on over at Soul Premise. Bang! Yes, I gotta show it, man. The sponsored bag of today is the duffel. By far my favorite bag of them all, man. Shout out to a lot of y'all who have been copping y'all duffels and daily commuters, man. I had someone send me, I think they copped like 3 bags and they said they're getting ready for a trip, man. So hey, man, salute to you, safe travels. I know you're not gonna have any problems packing anything in these types of bags, man. But this bag right here, which is the duffel, is a fully customizable bag, y'all. I done preached it to y'all a lot of times, man. This bag, you can put custom dividers in there and you can space it out to your specific liking, man. So if you want to have one big space, you can do that. Or if you want to have one divider in there like your boy Jay does, I have one divider right there on the side. I can normally put like miscellaneous things or one pair of shoes in there, and then I got a whole big section. Y'all, my bag is always packed because like I said, bro, this bag is super handy. You never know, you know what I'm saying, like when you're gonna need it. So it's just a go-to bag and it's compact, y'all. This bag right here is TSA approved, and you can get this one for a special someone for the holidays, y'all, and save half off on them, y'all. This is the perfect holiday gift, man. Trust me, they have a variety of different colors. Hey, I can show you better than I can tell you. You can see back there, your boy Jay got 2 more of them. I'm telling y'all, I don't be capping to y'all. Favorite bag of them all, y'all. This duffel goes crazy, man. So tap into Soul Premise by clicking the link down below. You don't have to put in a promo code. It will automatically be applied the discount when you hit the checkout button, y'all. So add the item to your cart and the discount will automatically be applied, man. So hey, save, man. Get yourselves a gift or get someone that is special to you a holiday gift that they will use. Because a lot of the times we buy gifts and we like, bro, I don't even know if he gonna use that. They gonna use a Soul Premise bag, man. So whether you get a duffel or you get a daily commuter bag, I mean, the list goes on about the different varieties of bags they have and colors, not to mention, you know what I'm saying? So get something for that special someone that they will use and they're gonna remember you by, man. Tap into Soul Premise. Half off for Black Friday going on right now. Go get yourselves a bag, man. But what is going down this week is what we're here to talk about, y'all. So let's go ahead and fast forward to Wednesday, because I mean, actually I'm jumping ahead of myself. I said Nike isn't doing anything until Wednesday. However, tomorrow we do got a release from the brand of Adidas, y'all. So Adidas Dios and Adidas, that's the All-Star, the XLG joints, the extra larges I want to call them. Those will be releasing tomorrow. That pair I think will be releasing exclusively maybe over on Dios or on Adidas website. I'm not too sure about it. I don't have too much information on it, but that is releasing. Anyone going after those, y'all comment down below and let me know. I'm good on those. Like a lot of these, I ain't gonna lie, it's the same silhouette. Of course, it's the Adidas Superstar, or is it the All-Star? I don't know. They all look the same, bruh. You know what I'm saying? So it's only so much that you can do with it, and it's just like, I feel like I've seen that before. Whether it was a Mason Margiela that looked like it or something, I don't know, y'all, but I feel like I've seen that before, and I don't own any shoes that kind of have that type of vibe to it, y'all. So that one will stay where it's at according to me. Y'all let me know where y'all be going after that Dios and Adidas collab. That will be releasing tomorrow. That's the only thing as far as I'm concerned that will be releasing tomorrow. Now we can fast forward to Wednesday. Wednesday, of course, Nike will be dropping the Air Max 95, the teal joints, man. They got like a Miami type colorway to it. Speaking of Miami, man, I need me the Miami 3s, bro. I need me some Soul Flies, man. Your boy Jay is working on getting some Soul Flies, man. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to have some for myself as well as, you know, anybody else who might want some, you know, but I might have to take me a trip to Miami and camp out some hours for it, but we'll see how that goes when we get around to that. But yes, man, we do have the Air Max 95s with the white, the black, the teal on it. That will be releasing on Wednesday, and I don't think there's anything else releasing around that, y'all. But when it comes to the brand of New Balance, they will be having a few drops on Wednesday as well. They do have the Adidas. Bruh. See, y'all, it's a new week, man. Bear with your boy Jay, but they do have the New Balance Absorb 2000s releasing, and a trio of colorways, y'all. We do got the black hats. Are those the black hats, man? We do got the blacked out joints, y'all. Y'all know anything that's black nowadays, y'all gotta call it black hats, man. So we do got the black hat Absorbs dropping, man. Comment down below. Y'all going after those, man. Your boy Jay does own a pair of Absorb 2000s. I always mention it whenever I talk about Absorbs. Bang! I do have the OG Absorb blue joints, man. I think I'm gonna pull these out for Thanksgiving. I might not wear them like as my Thanksgiving shoe, but just my walk around, you know what I'm saying? I think I might throw these on, man. I have not worn them yet, y'all, but I think I'm gonna put them on for a little bit, just a little comfortable shoe until it's time to, you know, get into my Thanksgiving fit to say. But yes, man, the Absorbs, this was a popular colorway. I want to say that this might be one of the most, you know, profitable one when it comes to the price on them, because this is like the original colorway. But yes, man, we ain't talking about these, man. We talking about those upcoming 3 colorways. Now we do have the black hats to say, as well as we got that light blue, bruh. Look, man, I tell y'all, I'm a sucker for that baby blue. Hey, bruh. Those are clean, bruh. Y'all comment down below. What is y'all thoughts on that one? Your boy Jay, I'm gonna leave them where they at, bruh. As you can see, I did not even wear my OG pair, so I'm good on them. I have other blue shoes in my collection, but I'm not mad at those. I told y'all, it's very hard to mess up a shoe when you throw that hue of baby blue on there, man. But those are clean. You do have that colorway, and last but not least, we do have the gray colorway, man. So we do have the gray, the baby blue, and the black. And to me, they not all that, but if you like them, go after what you like. That will be releasing on Wednesday as well. I guess that's the pre-Turkey Day shoe, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, y'all comment down below. Are you copying any of those 4 shoes that is releasing on Wednesday? Now, Thursday, households are dropping turkeys, hams, tomatoes, beans. Are you copying? Or should I say, are you eating, man? Thursday is Turkey Day, man. Y'all comment down below, you know what I'm saying? If you're gonna be spending time with your family, or what the case is, what you got going on, what you eating. That's what I should say, not what you copying. What you eating on Thursday, man. Y'all can comment that down below. But on Thursday, Thanksgiving, nothing going on. But Friday, we gotta do it, y'all. It's the blackout. Friday is Black Friday, y'all. And we got some heat dropping on Black Friday, y'all. Will Black Friday be pre-COVID Black Friday? Like, nope. Will the last Black Friday I remember, y'all, that brought people out was, I want to say, the flu games. Like a real genuine black in my area. I can't speak for anybody else's area. So in my area, the last Black Friday shoot that I remember that was like crazy, like pandemonium, like midnight release. Because if y'all remember, back in the day, these stores used to do midnight releases, y'all. And I don't know, is the world changed that much to where they're scared to do it? Or I don't know, but I love that time, y'all, when we had a midnight release of the Jordan 12 flu games with the sick face, the nubuck pair. I wouldn't even be mad at that pair of retro in either. But yes, man, we got midnight releases on Black Friday. I feel like that's something Jordan brand in these stores should have tried to do for the Black Cat Jordan 4s, y'all, because I think that would have been dope. But nonetheless, y'all, they will be releasing whatever time the stores open on Friday, man. I feel like you possibly could have gotten way more sales out of these Black Cats if you would have did a midnight release on these. Like, it would have just amped up the shoe that much more, man. Comment down below, would you guys be here for future midnight releases when it comes to like Jordan brand shoes, like these Black Friday releases? Like, make Black Friday great again, y'all. That is simply a part of the reason why I did a Black Friday sale, man. I feel like that's that special time of the year where you're supposed to be able to get like some good deals. Like, everyone is laying in the comfort of their own home in their bed, and they just, everything is social media. Like, everybody's on the computer, the internet, bro. The internet has took the joy away from everything. It's a gift and a curse, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people have gained a lot from the internet, and a lot of people have took a lot of L's, man. Like, a lot of businesses have closed due to the internet, you know, people shopping online. Like, there's no need to go to a store anymore. So yeah, man, I wish that they did things like they did back in the day, especially for a shoe like this. But this shoe is the reason why I feel like the Gamma 11 release, the shock drop release, is being delayed, because this is going to be that shoe, you know what I'm saying, come Friday, man. But yes, these will be releasing in a full family size run on Friday, and I don't know. Remember I said something's got to sit. I don't think that this is going to be the one, y'all. I think that these are going to fly. That's just my opinion, man. And this will be the test to tell y'all, are Jordan 4s still that shoe? Because we've had some banger Jordan 4s that have sat in the past recently. Of course, white cement 4s, cave stones, I mean, you name it. But we'll see what these do. Like I said, I feel like there's no chance that these sit, but we'll just have to see. But outside of Black Cats, y'all, there's another shoe that is returning that I feel like this one will sit wherever they're sold. Bang! And it is these Foamposite Pro Pearls, y'all. So the pearls are getting a release this week on Black Friday as well, man. So Nike has got a banger release, and Jordan Brand has a banger release for Black Friday. And yes, man, although this is a fire shoe, man, this is gonna be the one that sits, y'all. You're gonna be able to come back a week or so and be able to get your hands on these. These potentially might even go on sale. Just the way that foams have been looking, y'all. I mean, although we haven't got no pearls, we can't, you know, really put these in a bubble with the rest of the foams, because this is a pearl. The rest of them, I mean, not a pearl, but this is the pro. The rest of them were just the regular models, but we'll just have to see, y'all. Like I said, if I had to guess, I feel like these are gonna be on shelves. They potentially might go on sale, but definitely a dope shoe. Bigger sizes than these, I feel like they will fly. Anything from like 11 and up, I feel like they will go. But yeah, man, this is another banger release for the week. So y'all comment down below, are y'all going after anything this week? It is the week of Black Friday. Like I said, anything can happen Monday, Tuesday. That's the only 2 days that you have hope for to crop your fingers on the Gamma 11s dropping. If it doesn't happen on Monday or Tuesday, we got to look forward to the week after that, y'all, because it's not gonna happen. But yes, man, we got Black Cats, we got Pearl Foams, we got some Air Max, we got some New Balance dropping this week, man. Y'all comment down below, are you guys going after anything? But yes, man, I gotta start it off like that. Make sure you guys have a safe week if you're traveling. Make sure that you travel safe. But we'll be back tomorrow with some more content. We got on feats coming this week because we got some releases this week, man. So stay tuned, lock in with your boy Jay. If you ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. I know you already did it for your boy Jay, but yes, that is it. I am going. That's what's going down this week. And yeah, I think I got everything that I already need for this week, except for a shot drop on cameras. But we'll talk about that when it happens, man. But y'all stay blessed, y'all. Peace.